Okay, Dom, we're gonna do a segment called Life Skills with Dom. Teach us something that they don't know.
Is this really what your videos have evolved to?
Okay, Jerry.
What do you?
Tell me something good.
What do you want?
Tell me something
Get away
good.
from me.
Tell me something good.
No.
Tell me something good.
God, I hate that light.
I'm turning it up.
Oh my God, it's burning.
It's burning. It's burning. Okay, so guys, I film so much all the time. Not all of it always makes it into the vlog. This video is gonna be kind of all the stuff that I might have just found on my memory card and never used. So here we go. So we're gonna start off today's video with Dom's reaction to his first time at Country Bear Jamboree.
She's my woman through and through. I love her only because the heart is Mama don't whoop, little beaver.
Are you feeling shook meeting those girls?
I'm shook right now.
Dom, something's coming from heaven right now.
Is it heaven?
Oh, it's something. Oh, she's swinging for you.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
Yes.
It's happening.
Yes. Andrew.
How Dom looks as a lifeguard.
Yeah, sure.
It's all happening at once.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hi Dom, how was it?
The joke is that they're all inbreds, right?
That's the first thing you say after waiting 23 years of your life to watch Country Bear Jamboree. There was also that time I got hit on by a princess. Do you like churros?
I do. I like my abuela's tamales though even more. I haven't tried my abuela's tamales. You should come on over to Avalor.
Oh.
I can send Jacqueline to come pick you guys up.
Okay, sounds good. So you just invited me over to have dinner with you.
Yes.
Wow, okay, you move pretty fast right now. That's, what are we, like 10 seconds in right now? And yeah, and this day was quite interesting. Oh my God, are you Jared Hancock? Are you Jared? Are you the Jared Hancock?
Believe it or not.
You are? Sarah, pink, 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 pink.
Rose gold, rose gold.
I'm pretty sure you have a problem.
Just a little upset.
Where's the pink? What's with the black? Are we going to a funeral?
Yeah.
Amateur. If you were a true rose gold fan, you would be wearing all rose gold. What are you, Sarah?
I'm an annual pass holder.
You gotta say it in the voice now.
Annual pass holder.
You're an annual pass holder. And what side did you join?
The dock side.
You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Okay, so we're on the People Mover right now, and we just slammed into another car. We now have whiplash.
I almost died in Disney, not clickbait.
People Mover car derails.
I never use titles like that at all.
You wouldn't believe what happened on the People Mover at Walt Disney World.
That's gonna be the title.
That's it? That should be the title for this video?
It doesn't even matter if it should be. That's what it's going to be.
What the wonderful ceiling looks like with the lights on. Okay, yeah, we should probably turn off the lights. I don't want to see that. Do you see all the spider webs right there? Oh my. You having fun? Isn't this such a magical place?
So magical.
Okay, we've now been stuck on the People Mover for 73 hours. I think Dom might cut off his arm. But good news, I did find one thing for all of us to eat. So we're not gonna starve, at least today. Okay guys, we've now crashed 2 more times, but we're still going. We're not giving up on the People Mover. It's everybody's favorite ride. Oh my God, the light, I see it. I see it, I see it, I see it. We made it, we survived. Oh my God, but look at that sunset. Oh my God.
The sky's on fire.
And then I can sum up one of Rachel and our dates in like 15 seconds.
Banana, banana, banana. I love the mummy. You want a rock? Look, smash! Cheers to all the muggles out there.
Hi Rachel, what do you want to say to the camera?
Is your name Hazel? Because you're driving me nuts.
And yes, don't worry, I have footage of me harassing the roommates at work. So I have a question for you.
Oh my God!
Do,
We were just talking about you.
do you know when Kali River Rapids is gonna open? I came here.
Let's by chance
Unfortunately, there's been some illegal logging activity on the river, and yeah, there was a really bad hurricane in on.The.
And what? You should be buttoned up. This is not show ready, mister,
I
okay?
just wanted to show everybody my shirt.
No flashing. This is not Flash Mountain here, sir. Bye. Have fun standing here, Kali River Rapids.
Namaste.
Yeah, and then there was a time I went to the American Girl doll store. Yeah, judge me. I want you to read the guy's stuff. Maddie, you need to read this out loud.
No.
They need to know.
If you get kicked or hit in the testicles, it's gonna hurt.
Maddie, what did you just say?
That's why that one had a gun.
I don't think they would sell a gun at an American Girl doll
Sorry.
store. That's a camera right there.
Good. Oh, it's a camera.
This is literally what I look like in my Blizzard Beach costume. Okay, there's only one person that would drink milk with tacos, and that's...
I had milk today at lunch, 2%.
Love me, Maddie, take me home. It just wants to be loved. Just wants to be loved. They all got two front teeth for Christmas. But I do not approve of this. Two girls hanging out with one guy, camping together. Yeah, I see you. I see you, 76. Yeah, this is the one that Kate had as a kid. And then my grandmother would read her these stories before she would go to school. And then I would come down and my grandmother would be crying from reading these books. And that's the end of the American Girl doll store. And there's only one person who was qualified to officially end this vlog, and that is... Okay, we're gonna end the video with breaking Disney news. Chris, what is it?
Oh, there's so much breaking Disney news. There's a new Disneyland Paris is getting 3 new lands and maybe more, and maybe a nighttime show. And the most important Disney news of them all, I'm so excited about. This is the one that I'm most excited about. All the other stuff is great. Ah, man. I just farted. I am mostly excited because McDonald's is getting Disney Happy Meal toys again.
Won't go inside the Phasma.